Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on Xiaomi phones. If you've been missing important messages, don't worry. I've got you covered with simple step-by-step solutions. Let's get started. Method 1, check WhatsApp notification settings. Step 1, first open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2, next, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 3, from the menu, go to Settings. This is where you can customize your app preferences. Step 4, now tap on Notifications. Here, you'll find all the settings related to WhatsApp alerts. Step 5, finally, ensure that all notification options are enabled. This includes message notifications, group notifications, and call notifications. Method 2, adjust Xiaomi system settings. Step 1, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you can manage all system configurations. Step 2, scroll down and find the Apps option, then tap on it. This will show you a list of all installed apps. Step 3, tap on Manage Apps to access detailed settings for each app. Step 4, locate WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. This will open the app-specific settings. Step 5, go to Notifications and make sure all notification settings are turned on. This ensures WhatsApp can send you alerts. Step 6, after that, go back and tap on App Permissions. Here, ensure that notifications, phone, photos, videos, and location are allowed for WhatsApp. And that's it. By following these steps, your WhatsApp notifications should start working again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.